Want to attract real financial success into your life? Manifesting money isn't magic. It's a step-by-step process that anyone can follow. Let's dive into how to manifest wealth effectively. Step 1. Be crystal clear about what you want. Vague wishes won't cut it. Define how much money you want and why. Feel the emotions behind your goals. Writing your intentions down makes them tangible and powerful. Next, tune yourself to the frequency of abundance. Feel grateful for what you have, no matter how small. Daily affirmations like, "Money flows to me easily," reprogram your subconscious to attract wealth. Visualize your financial goals vividly. See your bank balance, feel the security and joy of achieving them. This mental rehearsal helps your subconscious create opportunities aligned with your vision. Manifestation requires action. Listen to your intuition and act on inspired ideas, whether it's learning, investing, or networking. Take the next step by researching, networking, or investing in your growth. Every action, no matter how small, brings you closer to your financial goals. The universe helps those who help themselves. Manifestation takes patience. Stay committed, adjust your approach if needed, and keep your focus clear. Trust the process and persist even when results seem slow. True abundance flows both ways. Give generously, money, time, or support. Sharing creates energy that returns to you multiplied. Which step will you start today? Comment below with your financial intention and subscribe for more guided manifestation and wealth building tips.